Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about the common debate, petrol versus diesel and which one is better. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, and in this video we're going to be breaking down the key differences to figure out which fuel type is right for you. So here we got the petrol engine, and over here we have the diesel engine. So now I want to show you what a petrol engine sounds like. This is what it sounds like. And now this is what a diesel engine sounds like. Point number one, performance differences. When it comes to petrol engines, they have a higher RPM and smoother acceleration. This is better for performance and sportier driving. So I guess when it comes to this, petrol engines is ideal for short-based commutes and city-based driving. So now when it comes to diesel engines, they have really good low-end torque, which is great for towing and highway cruising. So this is good for longer trips and heavy-duty vehicles due to its power efficiency. So when it comes to petrol engines, they're actually quite less fuel efficient compared to diesel engines. However, when filling up a petrol engine, the cost per litre is usually cheaper. So when it comes to start-stop traffic, the fuel efficiency significantly drops. Diesels are known for higher fuel efficiency, especially on long distance drives. So they can also deliver up to 20 to 30% better fuel efficiency compared to petrol. So now we're talking about maintenance and repair costs. When it comes to petrol engines, they're designed so much more simpler compared to diesel engines. So that means your local mechanic can fix a petrol engine way easier than a diesel engine. Diesel engines are way more robust, and they're designed to last way longer compared to petrol engines. But components like your turbocharger, your fuel injectors and your DPF filter are so much more expensive to repair. But regular maintenance like your DPF cleaning and your injector maintenance is critical for longevity. Emissions and environmental impact, everybody's favorite topic. Petrol engines are historically known for higher CO2 emissions compared to diesel engines. Advancements in petrol engine technology, including hybrids, have reduced this gap. Diesel engines produce less CO2 and more nitrogen oxide and particulates, contributing to air pollution. Model diesels like this with AdBlue and DPFs reduces harmful emissions significantly. Diesel cars often have a higher purchase price due to their complex engineering. Diesel engines are popular in SUVs, trucks, and vehicles designed for towing and long-distance driving. Petrol vehicles are usually cheaper to buy up front, and they're more common in mid and small-sized cars and even sports cars. Petrol cars may sound more attractive to you if you live in a city with low emission zones. Diesel cars used to hold good value, but now with cities such as London introducing low emission zones, this isn't the case. In some areas, diesel vehicles face low emission zone bans and stricter regulations. Petrol cars at the time being can have fewer restrictions, but with future environmental policies coming into play, this might affect your choice. So which one is right for you, petrol or diesel? It really depends on your budget, your driving habits and long-term goals. So if you drive mostly short distances and you prefer performance, petrol might be the one for you. But if you do mostly long-distance driving and you care about fuel economy, diesel could be the one for you. So comment down below, which engine did you go for? Did you go for the diesel or the petrol? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos.